Hi, it's Savva, and today I'm going to talk you through a typical retrofit wall-mounted solution in a beautifully finished brand new apartment. The apartment owners here contacted us because they just moved into this apartment and it's just so hot. So much solar gain from the glass, it's quite enclosed, there's not much cross-breeze ventilation, and I attended and came up with this fantastic solution which enabled us to install this system. There was absolutely no making good involved and no decoration works after we had completed. We came in, we started at 8 o'clock in the morning, and by 4 p.m. we were completely finished, and the client had no further works to do except to enjoy their brand new air conditioning system. I'll just talk you through this unit. As you can see, there's absolutely no branding on the unit. It's white, sleek, with just a simple chrome line across the center. This apartment actually has two systems installed, one in the master bedroom and one in the main living area. And now we're going to walk you through exactly what we did. So we have the fan coil, the system here which blows out the cold air, and it's connected to the second part, which is the condenser, which is located in the utility area, and I'll show you that now. All the pipework, the interconnecting between the fan coil and condenser, goes through the ceiling, and there is absolutely nothing on show for the client to see. As you can see, a lovely fuss-free installation in a finished apartment.